Hey guys, XX38 here, back with another banger, and I have played this game a little bit, and I just got this from a mission, and this rifle, it's not a shotgun, it's not a double barrel shotgun, it's a rifle, and this rifle is used for killing elephants in one shot. So we'll see how that goes. I'll probably be killing some rhinos because I love my elephants. I love to ride them. So let's find some rhinos. Yeah, here we go. An Asian rhino. Okay, let's go. Look what we found. We found wire tapeworms. Let's test this thing out. 700 nitro. Surprise! Holy! Come on, world. Come at me. I have a rifle. Come here, bear. I don't give a crap, bear. Well, I'm not a very caring human. Whenever you're not a Care Bear, I'm not a human. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am sorry I have not been recording that much. Bad guys? Bad guys? Good guys. Okay. So, sorry I haven't been recording. My YouTube's been messed up where I couldn't put crap on YouTube. That really pissed me off. So hopefully that's fixed. And if it's not, you're not gonna see this video. Or maybe you are. Maybe it's just gonna be blurry. Duh. I hear trouble. Do I have to again? Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Done. That is so fun. I love this gun. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! I know. I'm happy too. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to go to the freaking path that it tells us to. Here, I'm just gonna... Do they have a vehicle? No, here's how I get my vehicles. Go up here to my camera, call for backup. Then I pretty much wait until the backup comes in the car that I'm gonna be using. And look, so if I only do one, he only puts in one. Where are you? Okay. Can I at least have your card? Thank you. That's how I get my cars. Turn. Okay. We're good. Oh. Actually, I'm wondering why I ain't out doing this. Having fun outside. It's a very, very beautiful day in Tennessee. And guys, go subscribe to my other channel I have. It's called Eli Pokemon. And it's all about the Pokemon I have. So y'all should go check it out. I recommend it. No, holy crap. of stuck here. Help. Help! Fine, I have to help myself. Can I push? Nope, can't do it. Hey, what's this? Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. I blew his brains out. Holy crap. How could that blow his brains out? How? Susie! Come here! Come here! Just scoot my butt all the way in here. Let's go! Let's go. Let's go kill some rhinos. Actually, comment below what y'all should do, what y'all think I should do with this gun. Right now, I'm gonna go see this guy that I'm gonna get mission to. Let's see here. Actually, should I do some side missions? Because I don't want to spoil the story for y'all. Here, I'll go to the snowy mountains, and hopefully that'll be fun. Let's go to the snowy mountains. Let's go.
Daddy's here with your food. Do you want to eat it in here or in yonder?
1 second, I'm recording a YouTube video.
Tell me when you're done.
Okay. Sorry guys, that was my mom. My dad just got Panda Express. So, actually, let's go liberate some outposts. I wonder if the creators saw how easy this was for taking out outposts. So you just mark one, you go to it, just like so. Where am I facing? Okay, here we go. Okay, so all you have to do is go for them, and then you land right in the top. Like, just right in there. Right in the top. And then you break the radio. Call me freaking names. And then next thing you do is you get in the gyrocopter and you go. Let's go. I think I've already told you guys this. I have super freaking bad memory. Super bad memory. But I think I told you this. I've done story a lot. And I haven't been uploading YouTube videos a lot, but I really, really, really do like this game. And if y'all do too, remember to like, and y'all should go see my other videos. And if you like all them, then can you please subscribe? And then once you subscribe, there's a little bell. Make sure it is not it has the ringing symbols on the sides on the bell, so you can get notifications of when I upload. Which I don't really put out times for that because I don't really freaking know. I don't really know what what I can do. So just make sure you do that. Okay? So we're 600. Comment down below if y'all know what that M stands for. Miles? No. Miles is MI. Must stand for meters. Comment down below, and I'm gonna pick one. And if y'all want to check out my friend's channel, I'll leave a link in the description to my friend's channel. See? Watch this. Hey. It's this easy. Hey, Susie. Stop it. Stop it. Oh. Hi. Yeah. I'm on that. Well, and then call me freaking names. I'm gonna kill you, radio. Holy crap. That hurts. That hurts like crap. But I can throat string. Let's go. Susie, out. Okay, and she's out and ready to fly again. Let's go. Where are you? Right there? Oh, really? Run, Susie, run! Let's go. What? No, I need to be up here. No, we're going down. Oh, Susie, you can't do that to me, Carol. Well, I hope y'all liked and subscribed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. And I hope you guys have a beautiful week. Bye.